Well, looking from our tower cam at downtown Sarasota, a few clouds out there, no rain yet, but that could change later on this afternoon. Good to see you on this Tuesday afternoon, everyone. I'm meteorologist Josh Stone. John has the day off for today, and he'll be back on Thursday. Anyway, our current temperature outside is 89 degrees here in Sarasota, 90 in Venice. It is 87 in Punta Gorda, upper 80s, lower 90s. That's average for this time of the year. And it looks like we're going to also feel the mugginess with the dew points in the mid-70s around the entire peninsula here. It's just muggy and warm, but we could cool off with some afternoon showers and thunderstorms later on this afternoon. Looks like the rain chance actually will pick up later on this week with the remnants of a tropical disturbance. We'll talk about that in just a second. And also the question is, are the tropics active or are they not active? Because yesterday we were depicting something maybe coming in our direction for next week, and that may not be the case. We'll break that down for you in just a second. But looking at the radar, quiet now, but this was the same picture we showed you yesterday at this hour. And we all know what happened with the heavy storms. Some of those storms actually were severe, producing at times 2 to 3 inches of rainfall per hour. So very heavy rain coming down, creating ponding on the roads, some localized flooding. Also walnut hail size reported out of some of these storms, gusty winds and a lot of lightning. Well, nothing on the radar right now, but like I said, that could change with the heating of the day, the sea breeze convergence, and then we could get some storms that develop. And see what happens here on our future cast. Things die down by tonight. Tomorrow, some dry air comes in here to limit the storm, I guess, activity, but we still will get a few storms later in the afternoon. And then things ramp up because of this. This is the remnants of Tropical Depression number 4. That's going to slowly slide to the south, or from the southeast to the northwest, come into Florida. It's not going to strengthen or get organized, anything like that, so we don't have to worry about this becoming stronger, but it is going to bring tropical moisture our way, and at times maybe a lot of it as this comes in our direction here. So just something to keep in mind if you have any sort of outside activities planned. Remember yesterday we were talking about this tropical disturbance here in the eastern Atlantic, and this may be the system, as all the computer models are forecasting this to blow up. What I think happened is some Sahara dust has blown in here, disrupted the flow, and look what happened. We've got nothing, folks, nothing. National Hurricane Center kicked it out of their sights, and nothing is active in the tropics at this time, at least for the Atlantic Basin. All right, the low tide for tonight will be at 10:10 p.m. The high tide at 4:07 early tomorrow morning. Sunset at 8:28 tonight. For the boaters, westerly wind this afternoon, 5 to 10 knots. Seas 1 to 2 feet with a light chop in the bays. Temperature at the beach today, 90, but inland temperatures will be a little warmer than that, just above 90. And here's your forecast. The rain chance does ramp up thanks to the remnants of that Tropical Depression number 4 coming our way by later on this week.